Hi there, hello, how are you? I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day so far. I am so sorry that I don't have a home video for you this week. I am hoping that you accept the IPSY October Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus as an alternative. I just did not have the time this weekend to go to do the things. The world that didn't fall into place the way that I needed it to. Now that things are starting to get a little bit back on track, I have a cool video for you next week, but this week I'm hoping that IPSY is okay. I didn't plan on doing any more IPSYs, but then they sent the October box and I loved it. I love the packaging. I didn't even get to look at what's inside, but I love the bags. Do you want to see these bags? Okay, first of all, this one has the snakes on it. I'm obsessed. We've got pumpkins and witch hats and all of these spiders and stuff. It's purple and it's black and I love it. I love this bag. And then I saw this one and this has like a faux, can you see it? It's like a spider web design on it and has a spider. So I was like, you know what, I have to do it. The theme is HAUL-OWEEN, and this is the PR unbagging, so they're not necessarily following my beauty profile and tailoring it exactly to me. So I feel like I'm usually saltier for some reason in the PR unbagging ones than I am in my own, because my own is curated for me, but I put my own on pause right now because your girl has way too much skincare and makeup and hair care, and I don't need another dang thing. So let's break in to the Glam Bag first. This one is $15 per month. I think all in said and done, any shipping and handling, taxes, fees, and all of that jazz. You are going to get your choice of one item in here. It is supposed to be curated based on your beauty profile. You're going to get 5 deluxe-sized, 2 full-size products. Sometimes you get a full-size product in here. Sometimes you get more than one. I think that for the price, this is the best bag that you could get. If there's any subscription that I'm going to continue to pay for, it would be this one, but I did need to put it on pause because, like I said, I have too much. I hope there's some lip gloss or something in here because my lips feel super dry right now. Maybe I'm just gonna put lip gloss on. If I wish for lip gloss, I won't get the lip gloss, so I might as well. Okay, that's much better. First up, we have a mascara from Bare Minerals. This is called Maximist Phytofiber Volumizing Mascara. It looks like it could be a new one. Clean without compromise. Yeah, this is like a vegan clean type of a brand. I was expecting the wand to be this 110%. And it also, it feels like one of those drier, almost like a putty formula, super duper fluffy and brushy, fluffy. I already have a mascara on, so this is hardly a test. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I can't tell. There's one bird out here that will not stop. That was an absolute terrible test. It did nothing different, but that's because my lashes are already crusty enough that they can't accept any more mascara. Next up, we have something from Fenty. This is a Heat, and this is in Hot Cherry #1, and it is a gloss bomb. Universal Lip Luminizer and Plumper. Of course we would get this because I literally just put lip gloss on my lips. That's a cool package. I love anything and everything from Fenty, and like 90% of the stuff does not work for me, but that's okay. This looks, I can't tell. I can't tell if it's going to be super duper bright on the lips. I think so. I don't think this is going to be for me at all. It smells amazing and it looks amazing. Okay, I love it. Next up, we have a bottle from Kopari. This is that like all natural, I don't know, I see it in Ulta. It's just, they've been slinging their coconut derived deodorant for a while. I tried it, didn't love it, but this is not that. It's Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid, prickly pear, and coconut oil. So still, yeah, they're very much into the coconut thing, which I love, and I want everything to be coconut. I cannot tell what this smells like. I can't tell if I love it or if I hate it. It smells right away very like pretty and light and floral, but then at the same time, it makes me think of like very mature florals, and I don't think that I want this to be my smell. I want it to smell better than that. All right, one more tube in here. Oh wait, and then I think there's still a box in there. We have a small little bottle from Fab or First Aid Beauty. It says Pharma Pore Purging, Calamine Pore Purging Mask. Purify and smooth your skin, and all their stuff is safe for sensitive skin. All their stuff has always been really good for me. If your skin also gets mad at you quickly, try First Aid Beauty. Like, they sell it at Ulta and it's relatively decently priced. It's not like super high end, but but it actually works, and it's really good if your skin just is like, if you just can't really mess around with it too much, you know. The last thing that we have in here is from Basic Beauty, and it's a lipstick. This is in the shade Fall For You. I've gotten some eyeshadow palettes from this brand before that I think that I've loved. I'm pretty sure that I've loved. That is a burgundy. It looks really pretty. I know that it's just not a color for me. I actually was going through all of my makeup collection and looking at everything that I chose to keep last time. Like, I did a massive purge probably about 6 months ago where I got rid of like 70% of my makeup. I have this, like where I'm at right now is those IKEA Alex drawers and then a tabletop across them. So I had 2 of those and they were packed. Like every single drawer was packed to the top with makeup, and then I got it purged down to being only one side, and then even still just this one side, I put in a whole bunch of organizers so things are spread out a little bit more, a little bit better, and then things aren't stacked on top of each other, and I've really whittled it down. It's still a massive makeup collection to the normal person, but I've whittled it down quite a bit, and then now that I've gone through it 6 months, maybe 9 months later, I'm looking at all of these things that I have not touched, and one of the things that I have not touched is dark lipstick. I just don't do it. I've looked back at pictures of myself wearing dark lipstick at the time when I have it on. I love it. I'm rocking it, but then I go back to pictures and I'm like, I just don't love it. It feels very cold and uninviting on my face for some reason. So I just don't do it. Okay, so that was the Glam Bag. It's $15 per month. You would get $50 plus in product. And in this one, I guess I did get a full size. This one's the full size. And then I got 4 sample size products. Since this is the PR bag, they don't actually try to like make it hit that dollar amount at all, and I would say that the dollar amount value is subjective anyway, that usually I find it more in the $40 range as far as value goes, and you get to try brands that you otherwise may not have. I think I just realized that I put my shirt on wrong. It felt so weird around my neck, I kept fixing it. That feels so much better. All right, now we have the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. In this bag, you're gonna pay, I think it's $30 all in now, once you pay for the actual bag and then the handling fee. You're going to get 5 full-size beauty products in here though, and you get to make 3 of the choices, which means you basically curate like 60% of your bag. It definitely makes it worth it in my opinion. This bag is bomb, love it. Let's go in. The first thing that we have here is a palette. This is from Element Beauty, and it's called the True Nude Palette. Ooh, I really like it. It's exactly like the palettes that I use damn near every single day. I need a crease shade, a lid shade, an outer corner shade, and a highlighting shade. This is the perfect little palette. I hope it performs really well. I love that they used coffee names like sugar, cream, latte, hazelnut, caramel, cappuccino, cold brew, and espresso, but so weird it doesn't have like a coffee title to it. They should have named it like the Latte Collection or something, I don't know. Oh, I'm so excited about that palette. All right, next up we have in here from Dr. Brandt a facial cleanser, a full tube facial cleanser. This is probably a mega expensive item. I'll put the values of the things on the screen. The Dr. Brandt line is also really good. This is for oily combination skin too. Oh, I love that. It says cleanse, purify, and exfoliate, but it doesn't necessarily say anywhere else that it's exfoliating. Not in the directions, not on the back. I don't know, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Next up, let's go for the thing in the cellophane. We have a beauty tool. This is from the YC collection. Oh, it's so pretty. It's black. It has this light pink on it. And it is like a powder brush of a sort. I'd probably end up using it. Honestly, I think I would end up using it for powdering them around my nose because the brush that I typically use for powder on my face is massive, and so I think I need something a little bit more detailed, and this is too small for blush for me, although I believe that that's what the entire purpose is. I like my blush to be really blown out, so I use this big fluffy brush. It's a weird mid-size brush. It's like one of those weird ones that we don't normally reach for. Next up, we have a liner, a Kat Von D KVD Beauty Tattoo Pencil Liner, and it's not black. It's not black. Hold your horses, wait until I show you. It's the Longwear Gel Eyeliner Pen, and it's in, okay. I got that lotion on my hands, but I don't have that much lotion on my hands to make it that hard to get open. Oh my God, I did not think that I was ever going to get that open. It's a twist up pencil, and look at this color. It's green. I love that. It's like blue green. It's called Verdetta Green 60. I love actually getting a different color. I kind of needed a green eyeliner also because my husband's going to be a zombie for Halloween. So that'll come in handy for sure. And then the last thing that we have in here is, this is a cute little tin. Oh my God, it reminds me of like the old Band-Aid boxes, like the old vintage Band-Aid containers, right? Oh, I love it. What is it though? It is Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads, and you get 10 sets of them. Oh, I love that idea. Filler, who is she? This is Phila, and she's filled with the good stuff. So it has hydrogel collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look. It's like an iced coffee for the soul, 30 minutes of bliss. Store the entire Phila tin in your fridge to keep the pads cool. Apply to clean, dry skin and peel off after 30 minutes. Of all of the face masks in the entire world to try, eye masks are beyond my favorite. I freaking love them, but I generally need the ones that are going to devolume. I have like those puffy fat pouches underneath my eyes that I really do want to get surgically removed someday. So, but I do really like for my under eyes to feel very like hydrated and stuff too. So I probably would still, honestly, I would still use this because I love under eye things so much. I bought like in the IPSY shop. So that's another thing you can do with IPSY is like you can go, you know, like they have the add-on shop and the things are really cheap in comparison to buying them at like the store. I bought like an entire tin of that Saturday Skin. I think there's like 100 of them in there. I freaking love them. Okay, so that's it. That was the 2 bags. I'll put the overall value on the screen. I believe they say, if I recall correctly, it's $130 plus for the Glam Bag Plus in overall value. But again, since it's my PR bag, they're not trying to hit like the value point of it necessarily. What their goal is to send it to me is to show you what kinds of cool products you could get inside your bag or what kind of brands may be featured inside your bag. In this case, it's like, ooh, you could get Fenty, you can get Bare Minerals, you can get Kat Von D and Dr. Brandt, you can get makeup and skincare and beauty tools and all of that jazz. So good representation of like some bags. Yours would be based on a beauty profile and also based on your preferences. Okay, so I'm sorry again that I did not have a home video for you this week. I apologize. I promise that I'll have one next week for you. Yeah, all right, cool. I love ya. And that's it. So I guess I'll see you soon. What a terrible outro. Big shout out to all my patrons for making videos like this possible and for all of you for being here. And I truly appreciate you. Love you. Bye.